So here's a very quick video on how to get to this. First, let's download the obejota, the object. All right. Now we will import the object. So we choose options and centimeters. Okay, accept, import. Okay, now it should be here somewhere, hidden down here. So now we have to find the icosahedron face. And the first step in finding this face, icosahedron face, is finding the pentagon. One triangle is the edge of an icosahedron face. So let's start deleting stuff. So here we go. Let's choose this one. So let's delete all of this stuff here. Okay, I have exploded one too many times. Let's try this again. I want this. I want to keep this. So I'm starting to delete everything here. And whoop, like so. So now I've cleared this up a little bit, and so that I can get these alone. So now I press Alt Shift and highlight everything and delete. Okay. So now I realize that I'm missing the vertices. So I gotta find the vertices. Found them. Okay. Now I'm gonna highlight it. So there's one vertex, vertices. I'm not sure whether that is correct or not. Okay. So now I have one vertex here, and obviously I need not this one, but really this one. Okay, let's do this again. Here we go again. C point at vertex, and I put a C point here, and now I have my little vertex. And now, just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna make it into a component, and I'm gonna rotate it a little bit, so you will see what happens. So now I realize, again, I'm missing a vertex. Okay. So let me make this vertex real quick. So back to the little demonstration. Now I'm going to define a custom axis by pushing down on the left mouse. Now I let it go, and it's not working. That's weird. Let's try this again. Somehow locked. Very weird. What's going on? So I want to define a custom axis to this point here, but it doesn't let me. Unlocked plane. Okay, let's do this again. It had to be the other way around. Okay, so I start here, I hold it down, I drag it over here, and I let go. Now I find another one, this one. Now I can rotate it around. Now I press Control, and I find myself the right angle, which is around here, and it's 72 degrees. Okay. times 3. No, times 4. Okay. Okay, let me repeat that until I get an entire sphere. So I've deleted a few of them already, but I still need one more. And I need this one. And I take it from here, well, to here. Okay. And now I can simply highlight all of them, lock into the blue plane, and save myself some work. I'm going to take this little friend here, and again I've got to find my little C point here, and now it's time to guess again. Let's do some guessing. Times 2, no, times 3, okay. Times 3 looks, no, times 4, let's go times 4. Okay, so now we have the whole sphere. And what this guy did on Facebook, obviously those are not my images. I'm gonna put his name in the comments and link him. Here's his little template, and it's really nice. You can build this like a home, as a homeless shelter. It's really cool. So what he did is, I'm gonna go into the component. So he did 2 lines here, or another one here, and here, and here. So then what he did, what he must have done, I mean, there's really no other way. I'm pretty sure that's how he did it. Anyway, he probably took the whole face, or not, or he took a line anyway and moved it along this axis 1 millimeters. Let's go 2 millimeters. And then he took this line and made it a little longer, maybe, not sure. Let's try. Actually, it has to be parallel. I think it's better to take a line in this case. Alright, let's do a line. So the line shows me when it's purple, it shows me it's in line with this line. Okay, now I can take this line and move it around, copy it around. I'm going to move it right here. And already you can see I have an intersection, 2 intersections. I can get rid of this now, and this, and link, and make my little box. Okay. Damn. So here you have this little box. And now, because they are all components, they all appear. And now you have to do this for all of them. And then you get to this little box here. Alright, and if you want, obviously there's an angle here, and this angle, you also need this angle. But it's not very hard to find. It's even in the diagram in icosahedron. Okay, that's how I procrastinate. Thanks for watching.